Congratulations on your purchase of your Luraco iRobotics 9 medical massage chair. This video shows you how to understand and use the Luraco iRobotics i9 massage chair, along with some of the new and unique features of the new i9 medical massage chair. Before using, please read the user's manual for important safety and caution instructions. The user's manual can also be found on www.luracochair.com. Helpful tips. Turn the power switch on at the base at the back of the chair. Remember to turn this switch off if the chair is not in use. Make sure to remove your shoes to enjoy the new and soothing triple action sole massagers. Sit back and relax with your head resting against the backrest for body scan and shoulder height detection to take place. During the body scan process, please do not operate the remote control. The patented footrest extending sensor is located below the right heel. For an accurate leg length measurement, make sure your right heel is all the way back and down. The sensor will automatically extend the footrest to the proper length of your legs. In the future, if you want to skip the body scan and go directly to a massage, you must first save a user profile after scan is completed. The chair remembers the settings when the Save button is last hit. Doing this will allow you to bypass the scan process the next time you return for a massage. The Luraco iRobotics i9 has a patented and improved touchscreen keypad that is very user-friendly and easy to understand. If you know how to use a cell phone, you'll love the ease of using the i9 controller. Learning the i9's remote control's main screens. I'll go into greater detail on what each screen will allow you to do in a little bit, but for now, here are the remote's main screens. Auto. This screen is where you can select one of the 9 pre-programmed massage options. Manual allows you to customize massage settings for specific parts of your body. Settings allows for chair settings and to use a security passcode if desired. Info provides you with helpful tips as well as useful knowledge about acupressure and reflexology pressure points. Heat allows you to turn on and off the heating option and to adjust the heat intensity levels. Adjustments allows the chair to be adjusted for preferred comfort positions. Pause Resume button allows for a temporary pause and resume of the massage cycle. Intensity. Unlike other chairs on the market, the Luraco i9 gives you total control of the massage intensity for 6 different areas of your body. Intensity levels are also stored in your user profile when saved. Users. The i9 allows for up to 5 different users to save their favorite chair settings. Using this option allows users to bypass the scan process and go directly to their favorite settings. Start-Stop button. The round button at the bottom of the remote will stop and start the massage chair. Please know that if you need to stop your massage chair in the middle of a massage for any reason, simply press the Start-Stop button. The Start-Stop button is always backlit so that it is easy to find. Now let's look further into what each of the individual screens allows you to do with your chair. Auto massage modes. There are 9 preset programs that are ready to be used with no additional setup needed. When selected, you will get a choreographed massage based on what the massage mode is intended for. The preset massage modes are Health, specifically designed for health enhancements that emphasize improving health issues of relieving muscle strain, soothing anxiety, improving blood flow, and helping to relieve depression. This is the default massage setting when the chair is first started. Soft massage applies a very soft and gentle airbag-only massage throughout the body. This mode is good for relieving headaches, muscle strains, and helps to improve sleep. Quick massage provides a quick full-body massage, combining the best features of all massage modes into one cycle. Don't worry about it being too short. You can adjust the length of time you want to enjoy this option. Morning massage is designed for morning or first awakening use while focusing on energizing the body, providing muscle stretching, mobilizing joints, and promoting flexibility with some mild muscle exercises. Night massage is designed for evening use to relax the body and enhance sleep. This massage option focuses on relieving postural stress after a day's activities and helping to relieve anxiety, depression, and headaches while preparing the body for a restful night's sleep. Sport massage is for people involved in exercise activities and for injury prevention and treatment. This mode focuses on overused and stressed muscles from repetitive and aggressive movements. The sport mode enhances flexibility, reduces fatigue, boosts endurance, and reduces muscle soreness. Shiatsu massage provides a high-intensity and point-based massage with varied and rhythmic pressures on different parts of the body. A shiatsu massage helps relieve severe tension in muscles and connective tissues, relieves blockages, and rejuvenates the body. Stretch massage, a program devoted completely to stretching, improving flexibility, and promoting better mobility throughout the body. It relaxes muscles, enhances muscular coordination, helps improve posture, and provides a sense of well-being. Everyone at every age needs to stretch more. TV mode places the chair into a comfortable position with a soothing foot massage for watching TV. The Luraco i9 is meant to be sat in. Manual massage options. Using the manual screen, you will be able to customize targeted areas of the body that best fits your wants and needs. By touching the buttons on the body diagram screen, the i9 will deliver a focused massage to that specific area of your body. Any combination of body locations can be massaged with the selected areas showing up as highlighted. With a quick tap on the spot mode's up or down arrows, you can pinpoint the massage rollers to stay on a specific area. The spot mode is perfect for an intense and directed massage to work on targeted muscles. The spot massage works for areas from the neck all the way down to the thigh buttocks area. For the additional massages specifically for your back, press the back area parts that you want to target. Neck, mid-back, or lower back. Then press the green More arrow. The next screen allows you to choose either kneading or tapping, with additional options of adjusting the speed and width of the rollers. If you select tapping, you will be able to select which type of tapping rhythm you want. The options are constant tapping, variable tapping, or percussion tapping, with each having its own unique rhythmic massage pattern. After you have everything set up the way you want, simply use the back arrows to return to the previous screens. When you hit Save User, your i9 will remember your settings, so you can skip right to your massage the next time you return to your chair for a massage. I'll explain more on saving settings in a little bit. Settings. This is where you can set up your personal preferences with options of voice response. There are 7 different language options that can be chosen for the i9, with English as the default language. The speaker volume can also be adjusted higher or lower on this screen. Massage time. Massage times can be set for as short as 5 minutes or as long as 30 minutes. You can also extend a massage time by returning to this screen and hitting the time again. System passcode. The Luraco iRobotics i9 comes with a security feature that allows you to lock it if you don't want others to use it. The default passcode is 1234. Sleep setting. Many people like to fall asleep during a massage and don't want to be disturbed when the massage ends. When the sleep setting is checked, the chair will let you remain asleep after your massage has ended. When you wake up, simply hit the Start/Stop button and your chair will return to the starting position. If unchecked, your chair will gradually return to the start position when the massage time has ended. System information. The information found here is what Luraco technical support would ask for if there is ever a need for diagnostic or service issues. Bluetooth and speaker. The i9 is set up to be compatible with Bluetooth, but you must have a device that the chair can be paired with. When checked, select Luraco on your device to pair your chair, just like any other Bluetooth device in your home. Your chair comes with a Bluetooth turned off, with easy-to-follow instructions in the user's manual on how to turn it on. Info. There are multiple information screens on your i9 controller that provide helpful tips with interesting and useful acupuncture and reflexology points about the body, feet, and hands. The i9 was built to work in concert with your acupuncture pressure points for a relaxing and effective massage. Heat. A soothing heat feature is ready to use on your i9 for the hands, lower back, and feet. There are 5 heat levels, with 1 being the lowest and 5 being the warmest. Simply touch Heat On to start this feature, except for the Health, Quick, and Shiatsu modes, where it turns on automatically. Adjust. Just as there are many different body types, there are different ways that your chair can be adjusted for your comfort. The Adjust screen is where you can set your chair to meet your individual needs. The recline angle, leg rest length, and seat height can all be adjusted to whatever position you desire. The Adjust screen is also where you can put your chair into zero gravity by simply pressing the button. Zero gravity will allow your body's weight to work in harmony with the massage rollers and is very effective for improving circulation while delivering a true sense of relaxation. Shoulder adjustments allows for manual adjustments for shoulder and neck height position. This feature allows you to manually adjust the height of the rollers if needed for a more precise neck and shoulder position after the body scan. Pause Resume button. Your massage can be paused and resumed by simply pressing this button. Intensity. This screen allows you to adjust the massage intensity levels for 6 different areas of your body, which is more than any other chair on the market. The intensity levels can be adjusted independent from one another for the neck, mid-back, lower back, calves, arms, and feet, with 1 being the softest and 5 being the most intense. This feature allows for total personalization of the massage experience. Users. The Luraco iRobotics 9 has a unique and valuable feature that allows for up to 5 different users to save their favorite chair settings. Imagine that. It's like having 5 chairs in one. Once you have chosen your favorite settings and adjustments, select Save and then enter your name. After you hit OK, your most recent settings will be waiting for you when you return. When coming back for your next massage, allow the chair to power up and then go to Users, Open, and select your name. Your chair will bypass the startup scan and take you right to the massages of your last saved settings. No more having to sit through the scanning process. If you ever want to change any of your saved settings, all you need to do is make the changes and select Save again. The most recent settings are saved whenever the Save button is hit. Hopefully this has helped you learn more about your i9 controller and everything that you can have your i9 massage chair do for you. There is so much more to learn about your Luraco i9 beyond the remote control features, and here are a few of the newest and exciting features. These features are patent pending and cannot be found on any other massage chair on the market. New and patented split SL track frame. Before the i9, massage chairs were only available in one of 2 types of tracks that the massage rollers move on, an L track and an S track. Each had its own massaging benefits, but there wasn't any way to combine the features of both frames into a single massage chair. But now it has been done, and leave it to Luraco to engineer a first-of-its-kind split SL track frame that combines the best features into one great chair. The i9 gives a superior stretch massage of an S-track chair while also massaging from the neck all the way down to the thighs like an L-track chair. Luraco has again delivered as a leader in the industry and shown the power of American engineering. Patented easy access sliding arms. With first-of-its-kind slidable arms, Luraco makes it easier to get in and out of the i9 chair. Simply reach between the seat cushion and massage arm, pull up on the knob, and slide the arm back. Once sitting in the i9, gently slide the arm back into the original position until you hear the click. When your massage is over and you're ready to leave your chair, simply pull the knob up to slide the arm back so you can get out. The i9 is built for easy access from either the left or right side of the chair, so it can work in any room in your home. Patented butterfly pattern rollers. Another new feature that is found only on the Luraco i9 is the patented 3D robotic butterfly pattern of the rollers that add a unique sensation to the massage experience. Unique massage locations for massage rollers. Along with traditional back massage locations, the i9 introduces some new spots for a medicinal massage therapy. The i9 introduces the first hand massage rollers that also include heat options, calf massage rollers to give a deep massage in the belly of the calf muscles, removable Achilles heel massage nodes, and new triple-layer sole massagers for the feet. So many muscles, and now more ways to massage them all. Patented adjustable shoulder and bicep airbags. As there are different sizes of people, There are different heights for where people's shoulders will be when sitting in a chair. The Luraco i9 introduces adjustable shoulder and bicep air massagers. Simply pull out the knob located on the inside of the shoulder airbags. Move it up or down to adjust your desired massage location. Smartphone recharging pouch, available in custom-ordered chairs only. The i9 Special Edition chair comes with a wireless smartphone charger. Slide your smartphone with the screen facing up into the pouch to allow your phone to charge while you are relaxing during your massage. Luraco Blood Pressure Monitor, an optional device, but is also included with Special Edition i9 chairs. Your Luraco i9 medical massage chair has the capability of operating an optional health monitoring device.
Meter of mercury. Your pulse was 73. Your blood pressure is normal.
Thank you for learning more about the amazing Luraco i9 medical massage chair. We look forward to sharing how an American-built massage chair feels and is different from the chairs coming in from overseas.